Welcome to the lecture, dear students. Now in today's lecture I am going to do the triple integrals, evaluation of triple integrals with variable limits. In the previous lecture we have done with the constant limits, how to solve the integral when the constant limits were given. Now in today's lecture with variable limits are given. Now let us see this problem. Evaluate this integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 minus x, integral 0 to 1 minus x minus y, dz dy dx. So it is clear that dz means z limits are from 0 to 1 minus x minus y. Y limits are from 0 to 1 minus x, and x limits are from 0 to 1. So now what we do? First we put the bracket for the innermost integral and then solve it. So let us rewrite the outside integrals as it is. Integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 minus x. What is integral dz is z. Now put the limits from 0 to 1 minus x minus y, and then dy and then dx. Now let us now rewrite this. Integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 minus x. Now upper limit is 1 minus x minus y. Lower limit is 0 dy dx. Now let us solve this again with respect to y we have to do, correct? So now integral 0 to 1, now 1 dy is y minus, now x is with respect to y you are doing, so x is a constant, keep it right as it is, x outside and integral dy is y. Now minus integral y dy is y square by 2. Now put the limits of y as from 0 to 1 minus x dx. And now let us rewrite this integral 0 to 1. Now I am applying the upper limit. What is the upper limit here? 1 minus x. Minus the lower limit is anyhow 0. Minus keep x as it is. Only in the place of y replace the upper limit minus the lower limit. Of course lower limit is 0. Minus 1 minus x the whole square by 2 dx. So total integral we have changed in terms of x. Understand, a triple integral we made into double integral, and a double integral we are changing into the single integral. So now it is integral 0 to 1. Let us simplify this. 1 minus x into 1 is minus x, minus of minus plus x square minus. Now, what is the expansion of this? 1 minus 2x plus x square over 2 dx. Clear? It is just like a minus b whole square. So now that gives you integral 0 to 1 minus x minus 2x plus x square. Next minus of, you keep it as it is, no problem, minus 2x plus x square by 2 dx, right? Now let us simply do the integration one by one. Integral 1 dx is x. Integral 2x is 2x square by 2. Integral x square, x cube by 3. Now it is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 integral dx is x. Minus of minus plus 2 gets cancelled, integral x is x square by 2. Minus of plus minus, integral x square is x cube by 2 into 3 is 6. Now the limits are from 0 to 1. I hope it is clear, the step is clear. And now upper limit minus the lower limit, 2 gets cancelled. So we remain with 1, upper limit is 1 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6. And all of them are having hex, so when you put 0, it is becoming 0. 1 gets cancelled, minus half gets cancelled. So 1 by 3 minus 6. It is giving you 1 over 6, correct? It is 1 over 6. So the value of the integral is 1 over 6. So this is the way of solving a triple integral problem. I hope it is clear. I just wanted to do one more problem to make you very much clear. Let us take this as integral of, let us say from 0 to 1 and 0 to x, and then it is x 0 to x plus y, 0 to x plus y, and then it is y dz dy dx. Let us take like this. Okay, now put the brackets. Now these limits are for z, correct? So let us solve this one by one. Integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to x. Now you are integrating with respect to z. So y is a constant. Take outside. Integral z is z. Integral dz is z. Within the limit 0 to x plus y dy dx. Now integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to x, y times of upper limit is x plus y, lower limit is 0, dy dx. Now you are going to integrate with respect to y. So that is integral 0 to 1. Now with respect to y you are doing, right? So x will be as it is. Integral y is y square by 2 plus y into y is y square. So integral y square is y cube by 3. Now the limits you are substituting as y is from 0 to x dx. Clear? And that gives you integral 0 to 1 x into, what is the upper limit? X square by 2. Lower limit is 0. Plus x cube by 3. Lower limit is 0. Clear? So that is integral 0 to 1 x cube by 2 plus x cube by 3 dx. So it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is 5 by 6. I will take it outside, and integral x cube, or you can do anything, simpler way also. It is integral 0 to 1. That means let us rewrite this as 1 by 2 times of integral x cube is x power 4 by 4. 1 by 3 times of integral x cube is x power 4 by 4 within the limit 0 to 1. That is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. So that gives you 3 plus 2, 5 by 24. This is the answer. I hope it is clear. So this is what the way to solve the integral. Whenever triple integrals are there with variable limits, slowly one by one we have to do the innermost integral. What is that you have to see, and with respect to that innermost integral variable, you are integrating and then substituting the limits. I hope it's more clear. Thank you so much.